Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to share a new natural fertilizer method to care for your orchids, helping them bloom beautifully and grow strong, healthy roots all year round. It's easy to do at home and perfect if you want lush orchids without using chemicals. Let's get started. First, we're going to carefully trim away all the dead, dried, or rotting roots. By removing these unhealthy parts, we're helping the plant redirect its energy into producing strong, new roots. Next, we'll water the plant with clean water. This step is crucial because it helps stimulate the stomata, or pores, on the leaves to open up. When the stomata are open, the plant can absorb nutrients and water more effectively. By doing this before applying any fertilizers or special solutions, we're ensuring that the plant will be ready to take in the nutrients more efficiently. Alright, let's prepare one fresh pear. We'll only use the pear peel. The peel is rich in natural sugars, vitamins, and mild acids that can stimulate microbial activity in the soil and support healthier root growth. It's a gentle, organic way to boost your orchid without overwhelming it. Let's go ahead and cut the pear peel into small, even pieces. When the peel is finely chopped, it also helps create a smoother, more consistent mixture that's easier for the plant to absorb. So just take your time. Make sure the pieces are not too large, and you'll get the most benefit out of the pear peel for your orchid care. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Now we're prepping 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is packed with natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which makes it perfect for protecting your orchids from root rot and infections. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water. Soak it for 60 minutes. After about 60 minutes, once all the nutrients from the turmeric have fully infused into the water, then we'll strain it using a fine mesh or filter to remove any remaining turmeric powder residue. Now, we'll dilute the mixture with 500 milliliters of clean water to ensure it's gentle enough for the plant roots to absorb without causing any stress or burn. So first up, we're going to use our turmeric solution to gently wipe down the orchid leaves. It helps reduce stress in the plant, speeds up recovery when it's been through, like overwatering or root damage, and it gives the leaves this vibrant, healthy green look that really tells you the plant is happy. When we're wiping the top of the leaf, we're actually helping to open up the stomata, the little pores that the plant uses to breathe and photosynthesize. A clean surface means those pores aren't blocked by dust or residue, so the plant gets to absorb more sunlight and turn it into energy more efficiently. And when we wipe underneath the leaf, we're removing hidden dust and debris. But more importantly, we're helping the plant with gas exchange. It exhales through those undersides. This method helps prevent pests like red spider mites or aphids. Turmeric's antimicrobial and insect-repelling properties kind of act like a natural insecticide, so it keeps the leaves clean and pest-free without chemicals. We're going to strain the pear peel extract and combine it with the remaining turmeric solution. This blend brings together the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial power of turmeric with the natural sugars, vitamins, and soft acids from the pear peel. So next, we'll pour the pear and turmeric solution into a fine mist spray bottle. This method is super helpful, especially for people who don't have much time but still want their orchids looking healthy and full of life. A light mist over the leaves and surrounding air helps maintain humidity, which orchids absolutely love. It supports both root activity and leaf development in a very balanced way. Orchids, especially epiphytic types like Phalaenopsis, absorb moisture and nutrients not just through their roots but also through their leaves and aerial roots. The natural sugars and minerals from pear, combined with turmeric's antifungal properties, give the plant a light, regular boost without overwhelming it. This kind of misting can be done just once a week. It's enough to support growth without causing overhydration. Alright, so the next step is soaking the plant thoroughly using the pear and turmeric solution. This deep watering allows the orchid's root system to fully absorb all the beneficial nutrients packed into both ingredients. Pear provides natural sugars, potassium, and antioxidants that fuel growth and recovery, while turmeric is well known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. This helps keep the roots healthy and less prone to rot. Now, it's really important to only soak the plant for about 20 minutes. Leaving it longer than that can actually backfire and lead to root rot, especially with orchids, since they need good airflow and don't like being waterlogged. Soak it for 20 minutes. Let's use a soft cloth to gently dry the plant, especially around the base, the crown, and between the leaves. This step is really important because any leftover moisture trapped in those areas can create a damp environment that attracts fungi or causes rot over time. By gently patting the plant dry, We're reducing the risk of bacterial or fungal infections and helping the plant recover more comfortably after soaking. After about 20 minutes, once the roots have absorbed enough nutrients, we'll gently take the plant out and let it drain. Letting it drain properly helps the plant settle and breathe again. After 3 weeks, the leaves have transformed noticeably. They are now a rich, vibrant green with a smooth, glossy surface that reflects light. Each leaf feels firm and slightly thick, showing strong cell structure and excellent hydration. The roots have shown impressive development over the past 3 weeks. They are long, plump, and firm to the touch, with a healthy green tip that indicates active growth. The outer layer, or velamen, appears thick and silvery when dry, turning a vibrant green when moist, proof that the roots are functioning well in absorbing water and nutrients. You can also see several new root tips emerging, a clear sign that the plant is thriving and responding positively to the care routine. The flower has soft white petals that look fresh and pure, surrounding a bright yellow stigma in the center. The contrast between the crisp white and the golden yellow creates a gentle but striking visual. It's a healthy bloom with the petals fully open and slightly curved at the edges, showing that the plant is not only alive but flourishing. And that's it for today's Orchid Care Update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.